going to discuss about it. Debugging in JavaScript. Debugging is not easy, but unfortunately, all modern browsers have a built-in JavaScript debugger. Built-in debuggers can be turned on and off, causing errors to be reported to the user. With a debugger, you can also set breakpoints, places where code execution can be stopped, and examine variables while the code is executing. Normally, otherwise follow the steps at the bottom of the page or right of the page. You can activate debugging in your browser with the F12 key and select console in the debugger menu. Here I am going to show the one example how to debug in Chrome. This is the one sample example of debugging. Here I used the ID is present. If the ID is same as get element ID, I will get the output like 50. Suppose if the ID is changed, I got the error message like this and I will not get output. To debug the error, suppose if the ID is changed, I got the error message like this. And I will not get output. To debug the error, in Chrome, we use F12 a develop tool in the setting tab. It shows the error occurrence. Now I click the cross button. It will show the error line. Now I change the error and I will reload the code again using Ctrl+R. Now I got the result. I hope everyone got basic idea about debugging. In our next class, we will see another interesting topic in next class. Thanks for watching. For know about latest technologies, subscribe it. You will get the latest news from us website.